backstory ശരിക്കും എവിടെയാ? ഈ backstory നമ്മുടെ
എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്നാ നോക്കുന്നേ.
Subscribe to our channel Decluttering.
Declutteringന്റെ പുതിയ വീഡിയോക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. Very sorry we haven't been posting videos for a very long time. So today we decided to do something kind of special with you guys.
We hope you all had a very good Christmas and New Year celebration. പിന്നെ ഈ വർഷത്തെ ആദ്യത്തെ വീഡിയോ ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പോൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. So it's very special to us.
I know what you guys are thinking. Out of all the places we could be, why are we standing in front of this messy place? Well, the reason is
we're gonna clean our back door! Yay! It's gonna take forever. It's so messy.
Johan,
What?
we're still recording.
Oh. We are?
Yeah.
Are we, Mom?
Yes.
Okay.
record ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുക.
So where is this back store located? Well, it's located in between our garage and our back door.
മിന്നു പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ഇവിടെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഗരാജ് ആൻഡ് നമ്മൾ ഇങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ കാണാം നമ്മുടെ മിനി ബാക്ക് സ്റ്റോർ ആൻഡ് ഇങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ദേണ്ട മിന്നു മാറിക്കോ ഇച്ചിരി ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് കാണാം നമ്മുടെ പുറത്തേക്കുള്ള ഒരു എൻട്രൻസ് ആൻഡ് ഇതേണ്ട ഇവിടെ ജയിക്ക് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു ആൻഡ് ജൂലി ഓ ജൂലിന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലല്ലേ നമ്മുടെ പുതിയ പട്ടി ജൂലി ജൂലി സേ ഹായ് ഹായ് ജൂലി
Oh, they put Jake on Sangaraka. For all of our viewers, this is our new puppy, Julie. And she is still a puppy. Aren't you, Julie? Aren't you, Julie? Now tell all our viewers to subscribe. Right? Yeah, tell everyone to subscribe. Now, before we go back to the video, it would really make my day if all of you guys subscribe.
Yes, make sure all of you please subscribe to our channel JJ Cloud.
So, coming back to the video, we're going to be tackling quite a bit of a challenge. And it's going to take a while, but we're up for the challenge. Aren't we, Johan?
Yes, we are. And this time I made it.
Well, there is a reason behind it, so you guys can go watch that and then come back.
Okay, ഞാൻ പോയി നോക്കട്ടെ ഈ കാലത്തുള്ളൂ
രണ്ടുപേരും ആ ബാക്ക് സ്റ്റോറേജ് വൃത്തിയാക്കിയിട്ട് കേട്ടോ. കുറെ ദിവസം ഞാൻ കാണുന്നത് എല്ലാം വലിച്ചു വരിട്ടേക്കോ. നാളെ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. നാളെ അത് നല്ല വൃത്തിയാക്കിയിട്ടാണ് രണ്ടുപേരും നല്ല സ്കൂളുകളുടെ അല്ലേ, പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് പണിയൊന്നുമില്ലല്ലോ രണ്ടുപേർക്കും.
എനിക്ക് നാളെ ചെയ്യണ്ട, ഞാൻ കൂട്ടുകാരോടൊപ്പം പോകണം.
അത് പറ്റൂല, അത് ചെയ്ത് വൃത്തിയാക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കൂട്ടുകാരോടൊപ്പം പോകാം, അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ.
ഫൈൻ. clean it.
We will.
You will clean it. I won't clean it.
No, you will clean it.
Fine, we both clean it.
Johan, I think I've got an idea what we should do. I think you see how there's a middle line here? Maybe we should make one of these like layers and we should like put like, I don't know, maybe like plates all here and something else all there and like, you know, organize it a bit more.
Okay, so we should probably do something like things we won't be using very often at the top. Things we will be using like around our reachable area.
It would be like easier to find out.
Yeah, so
things
like we could put like a camping stuff there because we don't go camping every day, you know. And then we could put like normal bathroom and stuff
suitcases.
like here.
We could put our suitcases up there. Okay, so let's get started. And we can just put out, we need to also clean up this place.
Okay.
We need to put our hats in there and sunglasses. Okay.
Yellow.
We'll start with organizing it a bit and then we'll like...
Let's put all the bags here first.
Okay. School bags need to have their own layer because there are, you know, lots of them.
Okay.
We should separate plastic
And let's
bags.
just put all the empty cardboard boxes in here.
We should separate plastic bags and we should separate plastic bags and cloth bags.
Is this empty? There's nothing.
ഇങ്ങനെ വന്ന് നിപ്പുണ്ട്. ജൂലിപ്പണ്ണേ, ജൂലി. ചേട്ടനും ചേച്ചി എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്നാ നോക്കുന്നേ? ജൂലി.
ഇതിന്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ലല്ലോ.
എന്താണ്?
The measuring tape is like really broken.
നോക്കണാണോ?
Yeah, it doesn't work.
ഓക്കേ. ജൂലിപ്പണ്ണേ. ആ ശരിയാ.
It doesn't like retract that way. In my kids Zenya cards.
Where's mine? Is mine there?
No, I didn't see yours. No, yours aren't there. Look, there's my junior university. That's when I took my master's degree for geology. See, there's a sticker.
I have the same ones.
And then there's my credit card, the Bank of Kidzania. Canon, that's when I took up photography as a job.
Do you have your driver's license one? I have my driver's license one.
Driver's license. Got my fingerprint as well. Look at that.
Yeah, driver's license one. Remember when we rode the cars after that?
This one,
That was our university degree.
this one's like the most flimsiest card.
Memories.
Look at it. It's valid date.
So
Look,
we
it
both
says
did.
Bangkok. It says Bangkok. Kidzania Bangkok.
We both passed it.
എന്താ എടുക്കുന്നതെന്ന്?
Julie, come here.
Actually, look, I got my driver's license.
ജൂലിപ്പണ്ണേ.
Do you want to go on a car?
Yeah, I'll take you.
We'll take.
Look, all of this. Broken stuff.
I guess it's basically almost.
Look at all these keys.
What?
They're from our old houses. There's so
From-
many.
Oh my god. That's from all of our old houses.
Let's count them. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, guys, this place looks a lot better, doesn't it? I mean, compare it from what it was to what it is now. Right, Johan?
Yeah, I know, right? This place looks so much more cleaner. Are we ready to show Mom?
Yeah, we should. How should we do it?
We gotta show Mom, okay, guys? I got an idea. I'll take a video, and you have to close your eyes and tell her to come in here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, come on.
Go.
2, 1.
Wow.
Isn't it cleaner like 100 times better?
അടിപൊളി. ഇതെങ്ങനെ നിങ്ങൾ ഓർഗനൈസ് ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നേ ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു.
So here's like all the shopping
Shopping
covers and
bags.
stuff.
Even
Here.
Okay.
school
And then
bags.
This is all the school bag.
Okay.
All the hospital stuff.
Yeah, like all medical stuff.
This is the toy box.
Yeah, toy
Okay.
box.
This
This
is all
is
the
all-
plates.
Yeah, plates. Updated.
Bicycle stuff.
Okay.
This is all tools.
Dad's stuff.
Yep. This is all the.
Toilet paper.
This is all the unused stuff and yeah,
Brand new.
brand new stuff. This is all the boxes and bags.
This is the dance stuff. The dance.
And that's also that stuff.
Yeah, this is also dance stuff.
And on top there's camping stuff, an empty petty,
That's the stitching machine, sewing machine.
and
sewing
some
machine.
stuff we haven't used in a very long time.
Okay.
This is a
Empty box.
empty
More
bags, and a
That's-
Lego set,
Yeah, Lego set.
and more empty stuff.
Yeah,
Good job.
I know.
And then we organized this.
There's like so much space.
Okay.
It looks more brighter than what it was.
Hats ഒക്കെയാണോ മേലെ
Hats, sunglasses, Dad's biking gloves,
Insect repellent.
Dad's biking gloves.
Okay.
Yeah. It looks much brighter than last time now. Like it looks more whiter,
Yeah.
and there's no
There's
stuff.
like a lot of space for brand new stuff now.
And now we can get more stuff.
Yeah. You can buy me and Jocelyn new things for doing good job, you know.
Yeah. We
Yeah.
need
And then you can like.
വെരി ഗുഡ്
Put
ജോബ്
on
ആണ് നിങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരും ചെയ്തത്. പിന്നെ ഗരാജിനോട് ഈ കുറേ സാധനങ്ങൾ കിടപ്പുണ്ടല്ലോ.
That's fine. That's all for the.
That's all waste stuff, and that's like the bottles and stuff we need to put in the shed.
This is all recycling bottles. This is all rubbish.
അതാണ് ആ ബ്ലാക്ക് ബോക്സിൽ ഇരിക്കുന്ന ബ്ലാക്ക് ബാഗിൽ ഇരിക്കുന്നതാണ് റീസൈക്ലിംഗ്
Yeah, this is all
Recycling stuff.
recycling. 10
Okay.
cents. Yeah. What's my?
ഇതെന്നാ കാർഡ്ബോർഡ് ആണോ?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
just empty cardboard.
We to put in the one farm, and then the recycling bin is also full.
ഓക്കേ ഗുഡ് ജോബ്.
And look, there's photos here.
Yes, there's lots of photos of us.
A little decoration. You know.
Right now here in Australia, because it's school holidays, it's the perfect timing for kids to do something like this to help their parents. Especially because it's COVID times and your parents might be really stressed out, so it's a good thing to keep them happy. So I would really love it if everyone would help their parents.
Just do something simple. So this was pretty big for us. Like you could cook them a meal or something, or you could like feed the dogs, or like do something that you haven't usually done that would like or clean some messy places, because that would like really brighten their day.
Yeah, because every small thing you do for your parents is a big thing to them. Okay, let's walk out from here. Let's
I
go
know.
get some outside time.
It's really.
We've been in here for
had
too
enough
long.
of this place. I had enough.
We've been in here for too long. Okay, so
This is so nice.
hope you guys enjoyed this session with,
JJ Cloud.
and don't forget to
Like
share.
and subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget our channel is,
JJ Cloud.
this is Johan.
Jesslyn. This is Jesslyn and Johan signing out. This was just a little reenactment that we did, and we've already cleaned up the back storage right now. This is after we cleaned up the back storage. We decided that we could share this with you and see how funny it was. Well, it wasn't funny at the moment, but it was a bit of a bigger problem, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was actually kind of funny now because it's kind of awkward trying to reenact it.
looking back at it, which is why we didn't want to like show the shed, because I mean the back storage, because it looked like really weird because it's already clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we decided to do this video because like there's like a problem like this in like almost like a lot of families.
Yeah, a lot of
So-
houses, yeah.
Yeah. So we
Like not cleaning up certain places, and that could lead to like family
like
problems.
small
and stuff.
problems can lead to big problems.
Yeah.
So for all of our viewers, this is our new puppy.
This is why we decided to clean the back store before another situation like this happens, which is why we also strongly encourage you to do this in the future.
നിങ്ങൾ നന്നായിട്ടാണല്ലോ ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത്.
I know.
I know it took so much time.
This is Johan, and this is Jesslyn.
I'm still recording. So we would like to thank our mom for reenacting in this video and helping with the
Yeah, it
camera.
was pretty last minute, and we're very sorry for how we behaved earlier.
But we hope we make it up with you by cleaning up the back storage.
Yes. Consider it a little apology.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Stop. Bye guys.
Bye. Bye.